devotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation, a special bond of creation. For all the single moms out there going through frustration. Clean Bandit, China Ball, and Marie's thing make them air.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants her life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him.
Daily struggle.
She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Stay up there.
She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to
Stay up there. Stay up
so
there.
rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye, no.
Rock-a-bye, rock-a-rock-a, rock-a-bye. Rock-a-bye, rock-a-rock-a, rock-a-bye. Single mom, what you doing out there? Facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no mama, you never shed tear. Cause you have to set things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. Already pops disappear. In a wrong bar, can't find him nowhere. Steadily your workflow, everything you know. So you not stop, no time for your dear.
Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry.
With a bang, 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 alright then.
No.
Rock-a-bye, rock-a-rock-a, rock-a-bye. Rock-a-bye, rock-a-rock-a, rock-a-bye. Rock-a-bye, don't bother cry. Lift up your head, lift it up to the sky, yo. Rock-a-bye, don't bother cry. Angels around you, just dry your eye.
Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Stay up there,
She
stay up
tells him
there.
your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? The chuck it on that one.
Chuck it
on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man.
We have IFD return. I'm gonna be 38th Street.
Bad boys,
west of the White River drive we were on. I have a boat and fuel can in the water here, looking from the bridge.
Ber om ursäkt.
In i teltet.
Lappen for det er viktig at folk må ikke finne på å dra, for nå juryen ute og skal bedømme biler og finne hvem som skal vinne noen evige premier og pokaler som står her bort hos meg. Og det som litt viktig det at vi her når det starter, og det starter klokka 4. Da starter vi med det. Og husk at dere har fått stemmesedler på People's Choice. Det også litt viktig at blir levert inn, og den postkassa den står også i innsjekkteltet. Så da går jeg litt rundt, og så kommer jeg tilbake. Så du helt riktig.
Trollen at blinklys foran seg, det ikke helt tidlig med det. Egentlig blinklys. Ok.
Ja, det kjekt da.
Ja, det var første gangen du gikk den veien. Ikke så mye som en kompakt eller en bry. Ja, men jeg synes at dette blir litt amerikansk.
Da hører at Mercedes den kan by på både kompetanse av eldre garde, men også mye
Nei, hun ble kjørt på min. Og han rygga på
Hyggelig, jeg har fått sendt deg en melding. Vi holder å kontakte fremover. Jeg vet ikke om du fikk med deg Ramis etter her. Ja, vi prøvde å få med det.
These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faded lights, you set the heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you
Bortsett fra der så har du jubileumstilskudd